Hello again all YouTuber, welcome back again to my video about mining US dollar online. This is my new video. As you can see, this my Merito application still running, still mining the USD online. You can see this, the speed is always the estimated monthly earning still always change. This means this program is working. See, for a while, see, it's changing. This is my last balance. I will make a request until I reach $5 or more than $5. Okay, I show you my payment proof from this Merito. Just wait. Okay, back again. This is my earning for the year 2018. You can see the month January I got payment starting January 3, 2018. February until the last March. I repeat again. This is the last. As you can see here, start 1 January 2018 until 31 March 2018. This is the real PayPal address. This is not fake. This is the real one. I think for everyone that joined already this Merito, so know already how to do it. For the newcomer, I will show you the link to join with me. Okay, it is. I click this, it will appear. Just wait. Okay, this is my referral link using Merito. Just type this and you will register. Then after finish, install the Merito and just mining the US dollar online when your computer online too. This is my VGA, my GPU, still NVIDIA Series 10 1080 Ti. This is the temperature, 66, fan speed 45 RPM, more 1182 RPM. GPU load 87%, 86%. Going up, going down is normal. And here is my CPU. It's old one, but it's okay. Can still running today game. This is my mainboard. Is memory, my memory install. Okay, I think enough for now. and see you again in my next video. Thank you all for watching my Merito video, my new one. Just don't forget to join under me making US dollar online. Okay, thank you all YouTuber. See you again YouTuber. Thanks a lot.